Hello everyone, myself Sai Supriya from CSE C section and my roll number is 2095-1805F3. Now let us start our concept video of Python programming and my topic is tuple operations. What is Python tuple? A tuple is a Python sequence which stores a group of elements or items. Tuples are similar to lists, but the main difference is tuples are immutable, whereas lists are mutable. Once we create a tuple, we cannot modify its elements. Hence, we cannot perform operations like append, extend, insert, remove, pop, and clear on tuples. Tuples are generally used to store data which should not be modified and retrieve that data on demand. Creating Python tuple. We can create a tuple by writing elements separated by commas inside parentheses. The elements can be same data type or different type. This is the example to create Python tuple. Operations on tuple. Length, tuple 1 plus tuple 2, tuple into n, x in tuple, compare tuple 1, tuple 2, maximum tuple, minimum tuple, tuple list, tuple into count x, tuple into index x, sorted tuple. Length here, length means return the length of tuple. Tuple 1 plus tuple 2 means concatenation of two tuples. Tuple into n means repetition of tuple values in n number of times. X in tuple, return true if x is found in tuple, otherwise returns false. Compare tuple 1 into tuple 2. Compare elements of both tuples. Maximum tuple returns the maximum value in tuple. Minimum tuple returns the maximum value in tuple. Tuple list, convert list into tuple. Tuple into count. X returns how many times the element x is found in tuple. Tuple into index x returns the first occurrence of the element x in tuple, raises value error if x is not found in the tuple. Sorted tuple sorts the elements of tuple into ascending order. Sorted will sort in reverse order. Operations on tuples. Tuples supports all the standard sequence operations including membership tests. It is using the in keyword, comparison element wise, iteration example in a for loop, concatenation and repetition the length function. Compare tuple 1, tuple 2. The method compare compares element of two tuples. Syntax compare tuple 1, tuple 2. Parameters. Here tuple 1 means this is the first tuple to be compared. Tuple 2, this is the second tuple to be compared. Return value. If elements are of the same type, perform the compare and return the result. If elements are different types, check to see if they are numbers. If numbers, perform numeric corrigan if necessary and compare. If either element is a number, then the other element is larger. Otherwise, types are sorted alphabetically by name. If we reach at the end of one of the tuples, the longer tuple is larger. If we exhaust both tuples and share the same data, the result is a type, meaning that 0 is returned. This is the example. Nested tuples. Python allows you to define a tuple inside another tuple. This is called as nested tuple. Here is the example for nested tuple. Thank you.